Hey, interesting today. I had a question online how to control spiders and flies and stuff in my shed. And I got one answer, which was, hang on a second, bugger salt. And I'm like, what is bugger salt? Never heard of bugger salt. And I even think it's an Australian invention. And I looked it up, even though it's probably not 100% suitable for the shed. I thought it'd be great for the house and other things if it actually works. And it just arrived. It only took like two days. So here it is. Let's have a look. Bug assault. It's I guess it means like assault rifle type meaning. Huh? Sorry, honey? It's an assault rifle for bugs. Huh? Don't listen. Throw the salt on the... Yeah, I just threw the phone on the floor. How's that? Don't throw the salt on the floor. Look, she got jars of salt everywhere.
Yeah, but not on the floor. There's more. In the jar. Straight away worried maybe the house will get dirtier. Salt is bad, see?
Salt is lucky.
Oh, okay, but not on the floor.
Not on the floor. Salt is pushing away the bad spirit.
Feeding our son.
Right?
Laser gun.
The salt is helping to go with the bad spirit in the house.
It's actually quite heavy. Let me just unzip tie it. There you go. Non-toxic bug killing device. Use eye protection while operating. Warning. It feels pretty solid. Treat gun as loaded firearm at all time. Maybe I can modify this to take a dart or a bullet.
Don't ever use that in our house.
The improper use of this gun can result in seriously bodily injury. Somehow doubt that. Seriously bodily injury to you or others by removing the tag and using bug assault 3. You're assuming full responsibility and liability for any direct, consequential, insequential damages. This is just to cover their butts. Alright, I take responsibility for this plastic assault rifle. Woo! Alright, well, let's read the instructions. Do not shoot in face or eyes. Oh, that's kind of understandable. So, how can I make this look good? Like,
Yeah, you think it's gonna allow that?
it's a plastic.
No,
let me have a look into this. See that? See? Nope. Moved. Where is he? There's one there. I can't see the laser on the glass. I'll use the manual sight. I got it!
I don't know. So the color. Come on. Where's the big one? Da.
Sit down. Sit. Shh, Hunter.
It's quiet.
Hunting.
hunting in my legs, huh? Just.
I want you to shake me later.
Ah,
I know what
no.
it feels like.
Oh, silly. Wait. Where is it? There.
I can hear it, but I can't. Mine's in there. Oh, you bugger.
Mop. Alvin's laughing.
You're right, this summer we'll be shooting lots.
This is silly.
He's on the near the floor. And just stop for a second. Just stop. Oh shit, I never knew that.
You should post now. So continuous.
Yeah.
Wait.
Ready?
Where is the plies?
All that time I had that on bullet and you
Couldn't see
can you
it.
feel the light?
No, where's the light then? And here. Alright, there's the light now. Okay, I can see now.
Now we don't know where.
There.
Yeah.
It's coming.
Perfect shot, man. Had a perfect shot.
Come on, plies.
I need two so I can.
I need to cook a dry fish.
Dry fish. Yeah,
There we go.
He's off into the kitchen.
Because he kept moving. What? Push for now? Push?
Yeah, push. Clear.
So the flies coming in. Report.
You know why? I'm scared. Clear.
Buang.
No, no. Not clear.
Honey, come back here, silly. Wait.
Look at now, still. Yeah, see it?
Yeah. Oh. Dead?
No! It said shake. Shake and make.
No.
Yes!
Where?
He's dead
Outside.
outside.
One more. It's not a flies, but I don't know what is that. Wait. Where is your?
I have to use manual.
Oh,
Yeah! More! I want more. I'm a hunter now.
And I can pull my eyes there, huh? Good. Ah! Don't shoot me. You can't shoot me.
This is it! The answer Australia's needed all this time. The fly assault rifle.
So one.
Hey, come here, you little bastard.
Wait. Okay, go.
Go back where you came from.
Where is it?
Scared now? They know I got an assault rifle.
It's gone.
They know. They're in hiding.
Oh, fish!
Hey!
Shoot the fish! I think no more flies. There! It's coming. Come here, honey, outside.
Come here, fly.
No flies. Where did you
Too early this summer yet. Spring's only just begun.
We're silly. Ah, no, don't butterfly.
No, I don't want to shoot caterpillar.
No, don't caterpillar. Look in the flies, you are silly now. Come on, stop it. I just want.
You just said that while you filming. Hey, ready?
Honey, girl. Oh, I don't want to
Are you
look.
done?
I don't. Wait.
feel me?
You want I zoom in or not?
No. Are you filming?
All right. Okay. I don't want.
Ah!
Hey! I don't want to look. Oh. Ah! Don't.
Hang on, I don't. Can't get it.
Stop it! I don't.
Oh,
really,
safety was on.
I don't really want you to. Hey! Oh, you people! Stop!
It won't shoot.
I don't want to look.
Holy salt.
Yeah, but how is gonna make hold your hand, silly? Stupid.
Ah!
Let me see.
Nothing. Just sting.
Oh,
Just sting a little bit.
okay. Enough!
Just want to make it red or something. Maybe here.
Oh, I heard the salt is spread everywhere.
But
There.
it's salt.
See
You
that? No, it is one.
No. That's a birthmark. How about a bit of tin foil? Have we got tin foil? Do we have tin foil?
I don't know what you're looking. Tin,
Just
tin.
I thought a bit of aluminium to shoot.
Aluminium.
But we don't have tin foil.
We have, of course,
You see
here.
how powerful it is. It's still sealed.
No. No. I already used it.
Let's see the world, how we're going to win the war. Push.
Well, close your eyes, maybe you can. I'm just worried that salt's
Oh, look
going.
at that! It's like a real shotgun.
Yeah, imagine if the salt's going to your eyes. Wow. Did I take a video that one? Enough!
I'm ready.
Don't point at me.
I'm ready for the zombie apocalypse. I'm ready for the next burglar to come in here and I'll shoot him straight in the eye.
Alright, this is it. It's enough, I think.
Today, from Ausfield Adventures and Aussie Jeep Muscle, the assault rifle is back. And we don't need a license.
Enough! Come on, off na. Off na.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear.